GoPro light mod?
It doesn't fit that one.
Now I can take videos in the dark.
Oh,
what's this? Oh, it's the GoPro media mod that I mount the light to. And I can plug a microphone into it.
Yeah, I didn't know.
Oh!
The GoPro what?
6, right?
9, baby.
Oh, it was upside down. I thought it was a 6.
Yeah, look at that. It's the special bundle that includes a memory card, an extra battery, a mount, a clip, and floaty. So when you go to maybe,
Is it waterproof though?
Wait, you ordered more than just the bundle?
Yeah. I had to get the media mod.
No, Mom, you ordered it for his present.
I had to get the media mod to plug my microphone in, or I don't have audio.
Mom, you should have bought him.
What am I supposed to do? I can't have audio.
That's lame, Mom. And you were the one that bought it.
Yeah, Mom, good present. Good job buying it for Dad.
Yeah, and this is the bundle right here, and it comes with this cool case.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Dad did completely not already order this in order.
It comes with.
Whoa! Can I hold the GoPro? It's fancy.
This is the floaty, so it floats, and that way your stuff doesn't sink.
Is it waterproof though?
Yeah.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
That's good.
And then this is the GoPro Hero 9.
Wow.
Isn't that nice?
Oh, delicioso.
You know, it's the best when it's like so shiny. It's so shiny.
it on.
I think it's 5K.
Oh.
Isn't it? 5K at 30 frames or 4K at 60.
Wait, there's such thing as 5K.
Yeah.
How nice is that?
There's 8K.
Oh my goodness. Wouldn't that be like
And you can live
super
stream
clear?
from your...
Daddy, are you excited?
Yeah. The action camera. So it never.
Wow.
What's that?
What is it?
Can you go get
thing you
something
need
to
the
wipe it
box.
quick, please?
So what happened, Dad? What happened? Oh, the GoPro's ruined forever. We'll never be able to use it again.
You better not play with my GoPro.
Oh, that's a good dad joke.
Hi.
Is that your GoPro 9?
Yeah. Denver, can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Can you see the audio meters on the back?
Yeah.
Are they peaking out in red?
Keep talking.
Hello, check 1, 2, 3.
No, they're green.
Okay, how about now? Are they peaking now? Check.
Talking.
Check 1, 2, 3.
A little bit.
A little bit?
Just like mostly yellow.
Okay.
So if you talk loud, it
Okay.
like
We'll see what happens.
Can I see? Whoa, it's huge.
Yeah, it is.
It's very beefy.
Yeah, it is. Okay, bye.
Bye, Dad. I love you.
I love you. Close. Let's check our ankle. Oh, it's definitely way too down. Okay, that looks pretty good. GoPro 9, Purple Panda, Osmo. The Tiny 4 has been downgraded to the handlebars. The Hero 3 had, I didn't have a mount for except the waterproof one, which this is actually going to be really nice because the audio before was super muffled, right? Because it was in this waterproof case. Well, now if I need any external audio, like exhaust sound or people talking or whatever, it won't be like super distant anymore. This mount is really nice. It's all metal. Okay, so you've been downgraded. We could use that in the rain though if we needed to. And this one, I can go here now. Look, you don't have to be forward facing into the wind anymore. Although your screen, man, if something hits that screen, it's toast. Okay, this will be interesting to see what kind of an angle this lens has. I need to look through the settings too. I'm not sure if I've got it on the widest. I'm pretty sure I do. I think I have it on 60, is it 60 frames? 60 frames 1080, I think is what it does. This will be interesting. I'm gonna try not to talk super loud because my son said that when I talked loud, it may have been peaking. I don't know if it's got an automatic volume control or I didn't find any manual settings. There's a setting for non-powered mics, a non-powered mic plus 20 decibels, a powered mic, and a powered mic plus 20 decibels. Okay, here we go. This is the first drive with the GoPro Hero 9. Just got it for Father's Day yesterday. Got it with the media mod, so that's what's on it right now. It's inside the media mod. And then it is mounted to the left side of my helmet, which also may be an issue. I might have to put it down by my mouth right here, which is where a lot of people wear them. Then it's using the purple Panda microphone, which unfortunately has a 3-ring 1/8 inch end on it. So that's like what iPhones and cell phones, stuff like that have. It has like basically one connection for the microphone and then 2 for headphones. And so they have that adapter on there, so when you're plugging into a phone, it connects to the right spot. Also, then I have to have an adapter on it, which I don't really like, but it works. So it'll just be interesting to see how this drive looks with this new 4K footage. So just to recap the cameras, if you haven't seen some of the earlier Motovlogs that I've done with 3-camera setup, I have, starting with the lowest quality camera, on my handlebars, we have the GoPro Hero 4, which I believe is at 1080, 60 frames per second. It does not have image stabilization, and the color is not super great, but it works. I'm not sure what the width is on it. I'll figure that out and put that on the screen right now, but I had the 3 there before, so we'll see the difference. Here's the 3, and here's the 4. Okay, man, it's windy. Okay, then next in line we have on the right side of my helmet over here is the DJI squeaky brakes. I'm trying to avoid potholes and cars and things while I do this. So I have the DJI Osmo Pocket on the right side. It is a gimbal, so it has an image stabilized, like a physical image stabilized gimbal on it, and it is not wide angle, so it's really nice for when I'm talking about something specific that's farther away, like that cop. I can just track him with my head and zoom in. It's 4K. I can crop if I need to, all those types of things. I haven't edited in 4K, so I just realized that I could probably start doing that. We'll see how the computer handles it and how the hard drive storage handles it, but I am recording in 4K, so anyways, that's that Pocket. Its color is amazing. Its sensor is really great. Stabilized. You know, it's by DJI. It's the drone camera basically that's in a lot of drones. I know it's not on all of them. There's a new one with like a 1-inch sensor and all that crazy stuff. This is an older model, but it's still really nice. Running at 60 frames per second also. That way if I need to cut to 30 frames for some slow-mo, it looks really nice. And then the brand new, just got it yesterday, GoPro Hero 9. And it's running at 4K 60 frames. It's image stabilized, I think mostly with software. I don't think there's a hardware image stabilizer in it. I think it's all done software based. It is in a media mod, which is basically an external adapter. It has a microphone on it. It has some mounts on it. I got the light with it, which I really don't need on the motorcycle, but a media mod allows you to like connect an HDMI out. It allows you to connect multiple microphone options in, and I'm running it through an 1/8 inch jack, and I have the purple Panda microphone. I'll have all this stuff. I think it's all in the description already, but if it's not, I'll make sure it's there. So I may not have it exactly perfect at this moment. I'm gonna have to check my levels on my audio. I'm gonna have to check my settings. I think this is where I want it. Some people run 24 frames per second. I don't really like that because I can't do slow motion later. And I feel like I do that a lot. I crop in on people, I do some slow motion effects, and when you're going from 60 to 24 frames, that's a lot of frames not there, if you know what I mean. So, oh, look at that. It's an oldie but a goodie. It's a GMC too. Wow. I've really been working on, with editing, I've been working on a lot of effects with still frame shots, freeze frames, I guess is what Final Cut Pro calls it. Freeze frames with sound effects, cropping in, following things. I don't want to get too crazy because it makes the workflow take longer. So I kind of like to get a pattern of things I do, but I'm still learning. I don't really have much else. This is the day I've been waiting for. The GoPro Hero 9. I can't wait to see the footage. I think the stabilization is going to help. I think the 4K is going to help. I'm mostly worried about storage, but I have been doing a little bit of tweaking to Final Cut Pro, trying to make it so it doesn't eat as much space. I'll be interested to see if you can see my speedometer. With the Hero, you could see what speed I was going, but it was a little blurry, and it was right at the edge of the screen. I'm guessing this is a little wider, and I'm guessing it's clear, so you'll definitely be able to see how fast I'm going. Can you read the license plate in front of me? Here's the GoPro, here's the Pocket. I'm probably about 2 car lengths, maybe 3 behind it. I like to talk about personalized plates a lot, so that's going to be important. All right. We'll also see how indoor footage looks. How about that? We'll wear it inside. We'll go harass the office with it. Here's some audio without the bike running. That'll be interesting. I'm going to have to EQ the audio also. I really hope it's not peaking, or I'm going to have to start all this conversation over. This is audio with the helmet closed. This is with it open, just a crack. And this is with it open all the way. Closed. Hello?
Hi, Dougie.
I came to harass Charity with my cameras, but she's not here.
She's not.
I got a new camera.
Nice.
Father's Day.
Really?
GoPro 9, baby. 4K.
9. Wow, you went from like
4.
4 or 5 to 9?
4.
You dog.
You dog. What's up, dog?